And VIX is $2 higher. That's unusual. Oh, they almost didn't hold it. All right, let's take a look at end of day here. We got the bullish breakout to test the upside trend here on ES. Not a full reversal yet, but we're getting very close to one. Full reversal coming around ES 5025. So still some room to get rejected here, but a pretty bullish recovery at the end of the day today. As far as how persistent that'll be, it's a good question, but it puts a lot of charm back online now that we're over 5,000. We'll take a look at that positioning at the end, well, tonight when I write up Pickles picks. But I would say this puts us in a pretty bullish position for the end of the week, barring very negative data tomorrow and Friday. Broad commodities are down a little bit. Yeah, still not finding much of a recovery there. Commodities just continue to drop. Even I know China opened up last night, but still not a lot of confidence in their recovery. Yields are down a little bit today, but nothing too crazy. Just, I would say easing a bit after the shock of the CPI news, but still holding their upward trend. Correlation down, but still flat within the range we've been in over the last like 5 days. Forward returns on volatility back to negative at the end of yesterday, but still much higher than we have been recently. So hopefully that continues to at least add a little risk premium to volatility as we move through OPEX. Skew hasn't updated yet. Yeah, we're still seeing a higher correlation with VIX cash and VIX, so still a slow shift to that higher volatility regime, despite the massive drop in vol today. And yes, end of day yesterday. RSP carrying what appears to be a lot of the weight of the move up today, almost on par with ES gains. NQ up 1.1%, Dow 4.2 underperforming, and Russell 2.4, massively overperforming everything. Yeah, we'll see. I would say that if we can hold above 5,000 and through the data tomorrow morning, that's going to be pretty bullish into the back half of the week. Where that's going to put us as far as upside is concerned, hard to say. VN's pretty close to here, around 512. It's probably going to move up a little bit today, so expect it to be around like 515 to 520 tonight. So anything above 520 is still going to present that risk of overselling puts again. And remember that most of the puts here at 5,000 are sold. So but they are back in the money. If there is a significant shift in the data, we might see those de-risk, and that could create a similar sized downside move to the one we saw before. Maybe not as extreme, but close. Any more downside pretty much out of the question the rest of the week. It depends if we hold 5,000 or not. We do have some pre-market data tomorrow. We have some data tonight. The data tonight, I mean, I think we have Great British and Japanese GDP. If those are big misses, we could see dollar rise and put more pressure on yields. So there's some potential that this won't hold still. I mean, like, there's still a slight chance that we rejected that trend. And then, yeah, we could pull back to like the 49.75 level, maybe. But I would say that if we hold 5,000, charm into the end of this week is going to be strong enough to at least keep us here, if not drive us higher. Why is Tesla going crazy in after hours? I have no idea. Is it going crazy up, crazy down? Up? Okay. It's up 1% in after hours. I'd imagine some kind of news. I don't know, maybe some sales report or something. Why news? Elon is still alive. No, I don't think. Did Elon die? Maybe. I don't know what the news on Tesla is. Tesla's moving to Texas? He crashed a Cybertruck. He released his feet pics. Remember what he said about Tesla bulls and their thesis? Whatever it is, it's probably going to be big for the stock. Maybe. I mean, positionally, they're still in kind of a big hole they got to dig out of, but something about his ownership is trending on Twitter. 20.5% stake. Elon filed a 13G. What, did he buy a bunch more Tesla? Oh, God, what a terrible investor. Acquiring Ford. With what? He has no money. I mean, margin, right? Just leverage up. Go long. All right. Anyway, thank you guys so much. I'll have Pickles picks out tonight. Have a good one, and I'll see you bright and early in the morning. Later, everybody.